remember whenever you would hear a strange noise, it would tilt its head from side to side.
Yo, yo, yo. What up, stream? I'm about to go pick up my new iPad. Don't know if Apple's gonna allow me to film. In the Yeezy Pods. Hello. Have an order? How much? Yeah. Oh yeah, these are comfortable. These are worth it. I was wondering. I'm recording myself picking up my new iPad. Is that cool?
Yeah, it's fine, man.
All right.
Cool. If I can actually have you hang out by the order pickup sign, I'll send someone to you. Okay?
Yeah, but I recommend you get them, bro. $20. I'll get like 3 pairs.
I'm gonna get a pair.
I swear, they're swag. Where'd you say to go? Oh. Order pickups? Yeah. Am I in line?
Yeah, I think I got a line forming all of a sudden.
That's cool.
Is this in line?
Yes.
For pickup?
For pickup.
You guys bought
Did you get any accessories?
The pencil.
Okay. Did you need to look at any cases or anything like that?
I bought one yesterday. Let's see how that one goes. But I want to save up for the keyboard.
Okay, cool.
Is the keyboard? I have not seen it, but does it keep it safe?
Yeah.
Like a protection?
So. I mean,
let's go see it.
Let me ask you this: did you get Apple Care?
Yeah, I always get Apple Care. I get it when I pick it up.
That's your best case.
So on my first iPad, or the iPad Pro that we just looked up, I bent it twice. I sat on it and bent it, and they replaced it for whatever the price was. Yeah.
$49. Yep. On these now, we've added where if you break your screen, it's only $29 to fix it.
Sick. Okay.
Yeah. And then if it breaks, like if you bend it, it'll be $99.
And then when I first had the Apple Care, it was like 2 per year. Now it's unlimited, right? But what'd you ask for?
I was gonna say, when you bought your Apple Care, did you do month to month, or did you pay for the 2 years up front?
Oh, I pay month to month.
Okay, good.
I pay month to month.
The other thing that's changed that you may not or may know is that before Apple Care was only good for 2 years.
Yeah.
Now, as long as you're paying for it, it's as long as you own that cash.
Yeah.
Still, you cancel it.
No, that's how it's always been for me. Okay. But if you pay for the 2 years, you can't renew it. You can?
After the 2 years, you have 30 days to switch over to month to month.
Oh, to switch over to month to month.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So what's cheaper? 2 years and then month?
Yep.
And then month to month?
Exactly. It's like maybe $20 cheaper. Maybe, a little bit. It is cheaper.
Okay.
But sometimes people are just like, well, I don't want to have to worry about renewing and switch over to month to month. But yeah, you literally.
Now, is that new? Because when I had the Mac, right, I bought it for 2 years.
Mac is different. Mac's for 3 years.
I bought it for 3 years.
Yeah.
And then I had no option to renew it.
Yeah. So that now you can do annual Apple Care or 3 years, and then same thing. As long as you're paying, if you buy the 3 years, after the 3 years expires, you switch over to annual. As long as you're paying annual on it, then you can have it as long as you. We're gonna bring it out right now, okay?
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for your help too, bro. I had no patience, to be honest. I've been waiting all morning for this.
All right, they're gonna bring it right now.
On top of waiting for my iPad Pro, I just got this sweater from Yeezy.com for $20. Not bad. I like how it has no strings, no pop. Little baggy, but Yeezy.com with the Yeezy Pods. Huh?
Michael,
Hello.
Do you want a bag?
Oh, sure.
Okay, we'll get you a bag too. They're gonna bring it out right now, okay? You get the 13-inch, right?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, they are on their way. Marlena, she's gonna transaction.
Should I go over there?
You don't have to.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you. I appreciate it, bro.
Michael,
Yes.
anything else?
Huh?
Do you need anything else?
No. But you know what? They never asked for my ID, so I'm just gonna show you my ID. Just so.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I mean? Just so no one gets in trouble.
Yeah, the one that was my boss.
Thank you. Is everything? The new iPad with the engraving in it? Thank you. Have a good one. The new iPad. The new pencil. We'll do the unboxing right now in my car.
It's up to you.
Okay. Is that okay with you guys? Or, all right, perfect. It's actually unboxing it right now. Why not? All right, guys. So I'd rather do the unboxing here than anywhere else. We got the new iPad Pro 2024 M4 chip 13-inch. I bought it online when it first came out. I just came to pick it up. Here's my favorite part about opening an Apple product. Woo-wee!
Hi there. How are you?
Oh damn, I don't really want to take it out of the packaging, but look how thin that is. We could do it a comparison to my old one, but damn. Comes with the iPad. Ooh, a black charger. Okay. And then the power bank, or the power box, whatever you want to say. Okay.
To go along with the pickups. Anything else last minute you want to buy?
I'll take it off for you guys.
Hang out, they're going to bring up to me. We're going to do 2 confirmations.
Yeah.
Now that was due
Should we turn it on?
with the confirmation of the pickup, we're going to be all set.
Nice and thin. Has Mike G in the back. I got it engraved in case anybody tries to steal it. But I'm gonna get the damn. That's sick, guys. Hell yeah. No. And then I got the pencil. This is the new Apple Pencil Pro. By the way, Apple Pencil Pro. Oh yeah, dog. New pencil, baby. I've been wanting to get a new one. Thank God I waited. It doesn't come with extra tips, but I did get it engraved. It says Mike G. I'm gonna be making a lot of shit with this. Okay. Thank you guys.
Yeah, of course, man.
And yeah, get these shoes, man. I suggest you get them, bro. $20. You too, G.
I mean, like,
This is my type of baggage. You know, people like to bring out the bags of Versace or Louis Vuitton. Now it's me and Apple, baby. To be honest, I was kind of surprised that they let me live stream my unboxing there. I didn't expect Apple to be that cool. They're usually pricks, but I applaud them. But when it comes to the iPad Pro, I had the iPad Pro M1 chip. I waited about 4 to 3 years to upgrade. I don't always have to get the next model up. I wait until the iPad has like a significant change, and I think an M1 chip versus an M4 chip is very significant for an upgrade, especially now that Final Cut is becoming more powerful. I should get the system that can run it properly, you know what I mean? It's an investment. I work, I do content, so it's not like just free. It's not just like for free use, it's for business use as well. For my content, if I find a job that uses my content, you know what I mean? But for the most part, that iPad was super thin. You got to be very careful. But I am happy for the purchase, and actually I kind of deserve it because I've been working hard. So thanks for tuning in. This is Mike G. I'm out.